Okay, cool little noob tip for you. I'm installing this lattice for the deck railing here, and this one corner of the deck is wonky. You can see it comes and then down here like that. So trying to figure out what the angle is that I needed to cut these corner pieces are, this little grooved piece that's going to hold the lattice. And so I measured this with my speed square, and it came out to 30 degrees. And so then I cut it, all well and good like that, and it fits nicely. But then I was thinking I had to use my speed square again to measure this angle. But if you're smarter than me, you will know that I wouldn't need to measure that, because if that's 30 degrees, then this has to be 60 degrees, because both angles have to add up to 90. The problem is that how do I cut that one at 60 degrees? Like that. So I've already done it, but the problem was my table saw only goes up to 45 degrees. So how am I going to get that 60 degree cut? Well, this is the piece that was left over. I've already cut it, like I said, so it looks a little wonky, but that's kind of what it looked like before I cut it. This is what was left over from cutting that piece. So I discovered that because my blade is at 30 degrees from that cut, all I have to do is slide it up against there and then turn it up tight against the rail. And that gives me another 30 degrees, which 30 plus 30 is 60. So I ripped it again like that. Don't know if that's proper safe practices with the table saw, but that's what I did to get that piece. And lo and behold, fits perfectly. Kind of nifty.